going on here? What's going on here? When I dropped down from this car, I kept my phone on my right pocket. What's happening?
Excuse you. Don't look like a thief. Which one is you came down and you kept your phone?
Madam.
If you kept your phone, get it from your right pocket.
Madam, stranger, with all due respect, I'm not saying you are a thief, but I noticed that my phone is.
No, you actually implied that I'm a thief because how would you be asking me about your phone? Did you give me your phone?
Because you are the person standing next to me now.
No, it's a crime to stand next to you. No, I cannot stand anywhere. Are you done on this road?
Madam, with all due respect, no vex. Make I check. Let me just check.
You want to check my bag? Take.
Calm down. Let me check.
And make sure you bring that phone from this bag.
Calm down. Let me check. Because you're the last person I had a contact with. So,
You want to touch me?
I'm not saying I want to touch you. I want to check for my phone.
There is no phone on me. There's no phone on me. There's no pocket here. I can't possibly hide your phone. Look at it. Give me my bag.
Please. My phone is missing, please.
What type of embarrassment is this?
Please, let me check. Please.
Check what now?
My phone now. When I came down from this car, the phone was in my right pocket now.
Are you
Please, now.
are you trying to accuse me?
I'm not saying that you stole it. Please, let me just check. Let me be sure.
Look at my bag. Did you see any phone here? Is there any phone here? Oga, this is the only phone I have. Is this your phone? Is this your phone? Why would you come and embarrass me here? You better go and look for your phone, oh. Look at this man.
Just sell this one. Otherwise, Lane.
Babe!
Hey! Oh, this phone is clean.
This is iPhone.
Sharp one.
This is iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Sharp one. Let's see. This phone. Tomorrow this phone will give us. Go. This December go hot.
Go hot.
You go hot. Let's just go and sell this sharp sharp. Listen.
This is my phone, don't be able.
What is flight to conveniences? Okay, no problem. But then we'll have to go and get another one because we need cash now. We need cash.
Get another one. Then sell that one, okay? Go.
What happened? What happened? You want to collect your own?
Bros, calm down. I know say they don't run you streets now. How far now? See, let me tell you, you see those guys? They just took your phone. I saw them.
Are you serious?
Of course now. That's what they do here for the
But I searched them now. There was.
come on. Yeah. As that one come out, as that one just passed, man, she passed it to the other one. Now so the other one carry on.
What you know? Are you serious?
Listen, look at what you do, Like I told you, that's what they do here for the living, They will hide here. Do you understand?
Are you sure they will come back?
Of course they will come. I know them. They will still come back here. Do you understand? You will hide and I will be here. Do you understand? Then they will come.
Let me hide. As long as my phone will come out.
Look at that. That's one of them.
Serious?
Of course.
Please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Look at your phone. You hold that one, you told it and ran away.
So this is what you people do, Abi?
No, this is my friend though. It's my friend that stole it, yeah. I did not steal it.
Don't worry, you get agenda.
Okay, what do you do?
Let's take them to
Please,
police.
I beg you in the name of God though. He's my friend. I never
Wait.
touched.
You are sitting and you are calling the name of God. Madam, are you normal?
Sir, he's my friend that stole the phone.
Oh, your friend. Now you are the scapegoat. You are purely the scapegoat.
I'm sorry. Please, Jesus. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, you see?
Don't street. I don't want to see you in this street again. Don't do
I will
this
not
again.
come again. I will not
Are
come
you sure?
again.
Are you
I will
sure?
not- I will
Because the
not
next
come
time there will
again.
be no mercy. Oh.
I will not come again.
Madam, leave here.
So,
Don't go and look for
Look
work.
at her.
Don't go and look for a job. Okay, thank you. God bless you.
And you be careful. Be careful. That's what they do here.
Be careful. Don't say you talk, but you don't tell me. I don't.
Okay now. Okay, take care.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. And if you are just coming across my page for the first time, don't forget to follow my page at Ify Baby Love TV. See you all in my next video. I love you all. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. Mwah.